Hey there, video enthusiasts! Welcome back to our DaVinci Resolve tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the world of video editing and exploring how to resize your clips effortlessly. Whether you're fine-tuning your frame or looking for that perfect zoom, we've got you covered. Let's get started. To begin, make sure your video clip is in the timeline. With your clip selected, head over to the Inspector tab. Scroll down to find the Retime and Scaling section. Double-click to open the settings and let's delve into the magic of resizing. Under Scaling, open up the project settings. Here, you'll find 4 options: crop, fit, fill, and stretch. However, for our purpose, we won't be using crop and fit. When you choose fill, it zooms into the clip, and stretch stretches it out to fit the frame. For more control, let's go back to the project settings. Now head to the Transform section. Here we're going to unlink the zoom, x-axis, and y-axis. This gives us the freedom to independently adjust the size and positioning of our clip. Now you can zoom into the clip, stretch it vertically by adjusting the y-axis, or even shrink it to perfectly fit your frame. It's all about customizing the size to match your creative vision. Let's not forget the most crucial step. Play it back. Hit that play button and review your resized masterpiece. There you have it, a quick and easy way to resize your video clips in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for tuning into this DaVinci Resolve tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow editors, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing.